Hello. What an exciting day for all of us. Hello to everybody. मैं हूँ Cyrus Gocha. This is SBI's Got Talent on a very special day, the 65th Foundation Day. This is a new normal, and for the first time, the entire SBI family is connected digitally. This is one of the first events that are happening in this almost live format. As I said, this is the new normal for us in the media and the event business. You better get used to it. Wherever we are, we can still sort of hold hands without holding hands. So we maintain social distance, but yet remain social. To formally kick off proceedings, let me mention our leader, with great delight, our Honorable Chairman, Mr. Rajneesh Kumar, and Chairman Ma'am, Mrs. Rita Agarwal. A very warm good evening to you, sir and ma'am.
This year, this problem gets over quickly, and we continue to scale newer heights, and the State Bank of India let it keep on adding the years but not increase the age.
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत बन ही गया।
हो वतना वे मेरे वतना वे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था। कुर्बान हुआ तेरी इसमत दे, मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था।
If you want to vote for her, you know what to do. Don't waste time. Time is very important for winning. Go ahead and reach that button. This is really a high standard. Didn't expect this, Nikhil. You guys are just amazing. I think. So how many hours do you practice the riyaz or whatever you want to call it, singing every day?
एक आध घंटा दिन में जब टाइम मिलता है।
और काम के समय में कितना टाइम जाता है इसमें? During working hours.
काम के समय में सर वो इंटरनली चलता रहता है, हम ही कुछ ना कुछ अंदर चलता रहता है।
Smart boy, well played. It was a difficult ball. You went on back foot and kept it down. Well played, Nikhil. Which is the highest rated spice in the world? Your time starts now. Your options are saffron, cardamom, pepper, या black cumin. घर में, किंतु परंतु, but in the house, who is the chairman?
I am chairman with his permission at home.
Here is Mrs. Anita Khera for you.
It was so soothing to the eyes. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Really enjoyed it. Very well sung. Really very nice.
For a formal vote of thanks, a very important gentleman, may I please request DMD, CDO and HR, Mr. Alok Kumar Chaudhary, to give the formal vote of thanks.
I must thank my corporate communications department, which has been working very hard relentlessly for this program for the last 15-20 days. Our MC, Mr. Cyrus, who was intelligent enough and brilliant enough today, who was able to orchestrate such a wonderful program. Thank you, Cyrus. I must thank the event manager, Mr. Ajay, and his team, who made it possible by attending to each of our demands. You are there in the background, but I know that this would not have been possible without your active support, you became scientists in order to think as to how this virtual meet can happen in a seamless manner. Thank you very much. Your team has been really wonderful.
I do lots of events in my life, and this is one that I will remember, and the guys here will remember who participated, the entire SBI family. You'll never forget number 65. Salute to SBI. It's been a great event, and thank you for starting the ball rolling. The economy has to grow, and you are a bank, and again, you're talking the talk that we need to see all around the world. Have a great evening, and let's come back. Happier times for number 66.